Well, I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I'd make a boring one. While everyone else in the country pretty much is getting snow, and even people just a little bit to the north in the south of Arkansas, they got snow, we got ice. That's all we ever get around here. But it looks kind of cool sometimes. Like the front of my truck. Which sounds like crap, but it's okay. See, I don't have an ice scraper since I moved to Louisiana, so I'll just make my own. So, if you're a contract worker or whatever, construction person or an electrician, and you need an ice scraper, just grab your outlet covers or whatever the hell these things are called. You're good to go. Alright, I'm gonna get the heck out of here and go get my blood pressure medicine. Thanks for watching my very stupid videos. Alright, I lied. Now I'm really done. Once again, thanks for watching.